Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today 19th June being Father's Day, while others were celebrating Father's Day, Angel took to her Instagram page to write a very long tribute to her late boyfriend, her late best friend. Like she made a post, she posted this video and she wrote a very lengthy tribute to him, and she even took off her profile picture on Instagram, and this has caused panic. Like she has made her fans so worried since throughout today. So guys, let's just listen to what Angel wrote to her boyfriend, the tribute she wrote to him. In her words, she said, "It's been 3 years without you. I'm 22 now. Remember you used to call me small madam. Guess I'm a big madam now. I will love you forever and I will tell everyone about what a phenomenal human being you were. So much so that I couldn't believe you ended up with me. I truly believe that you came into my life to show me that I could be loved. Flawed and everything, your mere existence was fact that good people do exist, and I'll never stop believing. I wonder if you're still lactose intolerant up there. Not that you even cared. You consumed so much milk while complaining about your tummy hurting. I miss your jokes that were so unfunny. I would laugh because of how dry they were. I miss mocking your British accent. All the love I've learned, I learned from you. You're all 19 years old Angel knew, and I'm 22 now. You're still all I've ever known. I would choose the pain over and over again because experiencing you is far greater than any pain I'd feel. I hope the angels carry you safely on their backs, but knowing you, you're probably one yourself. I hope there's no milk there for you to feast on, although I'm sure your tummy won't hurt anymore. You're in a place where pain is a fiction of our human imagination. I hope they don't give you time out for how loud you laugh, because God knows you laughed so loudly it lit up a room, so full of life. You were so much more than my first love. You were my friend, my laughing partner, my comedian, and most importantly, Victor, you were you. You were nice and sweet and kind, and you had 12 birthmarks. I know because I counted them that time you got so tipsy. You told me you loved me, and I froze up. That was the first time you said it. Now I live not only for myself but for you, for my dreams as well as yours, for the echo of your laughter on a really bad day. My best friend, my Mayo boy, my first everything. You know it goes beyond the existence of time and even the confinements of infinity. I love you so much. Keep resting and don't be angry at me that I barely visit. If there's one thing we both share in common, it's that we are both ghosts. I have laughed so hard at this joke, you would have loved it. Your egghead, Angel. So guys, this was what Angel wrote, the tribute she wrote to her boyfriend, and she also made this video.
So you picked this for me. This is I wanted to shoot love that. I wanted to show you my cup.
so much, guys, for watching. See you all in my next video.